We're going to draw and color a super cute octopus with wiggly arms and a big happy smile. Are you ready? Let's go!
Yeah!
First, draw a big round head like a jelly bean. Now let's add 2 big round eyes. Make them nice and wide. Draw a happy smiling mouth under the eyes. Draw some oval spots on the octopus's head for decoration. Now it's time for the arms. Octopus has 8 wiggly arms. First, draw the front 4 arms, each stretching out in a different direction. Next, draw the suction cups underneath those arms using small circles. Draw 4 more arms in the back. Finally, add tiny circles under those arms to show the suction cups too. Now grab your colors. Color the body with your favorite shade, pink, purple, or blue. the underside of the arms with yellow. Then, use pink to color the suction cups. Make them really pop. Color the decorative spots red. Keep using red to color the mouth. Finally, use a marker to outline the octopus to make it stand out. Be careful while coloring so it doesn't go outside the lines, friends. Such a beautiful drawing! Don't forget to show your drawing to your family or friends. If you had fun, like and subscribe for more cute art videos. See you next time on Joy Art for Kids. Bye!